Hi Pisces! Welcome back sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. So gagawin natin ang inyong monthly Tagalog reading for the month of July 2024. At ang timestamp ng reading na to ay July 31, 2024 at 1:41 PM. Remember na ito ay maaaring mag-resonate on to the next 3 to 6 months Pisces. And since this is collective reading, maaaring mag-resonate to on a certain collective. And if it doesn't resonate with you, I will tap into your energy next time. Okay? And sa mga new viewers po natin, welcome po sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Sa mga current subscribers, maraming salamat as usual sa inyong pagtangkilik ng ating monthly Tagalog readings. Alright? So Pisces, collective, isa-shuffle ko lang muna ang mga cards again in front of the camera. And I'll see you guys in few seconds, Pisces. Hi again, Pisces. So, simulan na natin ng inyong monthly Tagalog reading. Ang current timestamp natin ngayon ay 1:42 PM, July 31, 2024. Are you ready, Pisces? Kukuha tayo ng 7 cards as usual, alright? For some of you familiar na sa format na to, position 1, laging lumalabas to. Okay, recurring card. Okay, position 2, position 3, position 4, 5, 6, okay, no? And at the center. Ayan. So, may mga unique cards kayo, Pisces, no? So, papakita ko lang yung deck na to ay ang The Sacred Self-Care Oracle by Jill Pyle. Alright? Okay, are you ready, Pisces? Okay. So, sa first position natin, yung release position, these are things na completely dapat nila let go mo na, o yung mga things na matagal na hold back, no? And it's about time na gawin na natin to act on it. So, ang sabi, connect with your womb, reproductive system ng babae. Okay? So, it could be na it's about time para mag-conceive ka. It could be physical conception, no? Like, giving birth, no? Giving birth, you know, baby, angel, children, okay? So, it's about time maybe you should take care sa yung fertility, ovulation, and reproductive system if yan ang goal natin. And it could also be conception on birth of an idea. Okay? Yun yung kailangan mo ipagpatuloy. Be more creative. This is the perfect time, no? In next 3 to 6 months to be more creative. Yan ang sinasabi dito. Kasi a life or something will manifest sa physical realm mo, sa buhay mo. At magsisimula yan dito, sa creativity na yan. Sa bagay na kino-conceptualize mo. What you conceptualize can actualize. Okay? Maaari mong makita yan. Remember, whatever is it na nasa idea mo, it can tend to push out sa reality mo. Okay? Right. So, it could be physically giving birth or it could be giving birth to an idea, no? To chances, to opportunities. Okay? Now, sa second position, kailangan mong pagpatuloy aromatherapy. Kung makikita mo itong babae na to, nakapikit siya. Tapos, nandiyan ng orange, may iba-ibang scent siyang inaamoy ng flowers, may perfume, may lavender, no? Ayan, pakita ko lang. So, nakapikit siya. So, ang kailangan mo ipagpatuloy dito is that use your other sensations, no? Pag gusto nating maka-appreciate ng something sa buhay natin, hindi dapat na see things, feel things, no? Beyond sa kung ano nakikita ng naked eye. Okay? It could also be a reminder para sa iyo, Pisces, na judge or measure or feel situations and people. Hindi lang dun sa at the surface, no? Feel them, smell it. You could also taste it if it's food, if it's something na parang triumph or success, parang you can smell it, malapit ka na sa success, or malapit mo nang matikman ng tagumpay, malalasap mo na yung tagumpay. So, use your other sensations to measure the depth ng mga situation and connections, no? Yun yung kailangan mo ipagpatuloy. Huwag daw tayo, do not take things and people at face value. Okay? No? Hanapan sila ng depth. Okay? Huwag tayo basta-basta rin mag-judge ng people based on external look or ng mga situation based on what we see lang, no? Based on our eyes, okay? Use your other senses, Pisces, okay? Now, sa third position, Pisces, nandito ang clear your energy field. Okay, so ito yung nasa manifestation position mo. So, may blockage tayo, okay, sa manifestation. So, na-advise sa'yo dito na if you want to manifest something sa buhay mo ngayon, i-bring in sa realidad mo, clear your energy field, magtanggal ng toxic. Ano ba yung toxic sa buhay natin? People, situations, mga shadow work, mga excess baggage, na that's no longer serving us. Pwede rin, it could be literally clear your space. Kung saan ka lagi, make yourself or your space sacred. Okay? Could also be ikaw, cleanse your aura and cleanse the space where you're always there. Like ako sa space ko, let's say bedroom or itong tarot table na to, or work desk ko, in one, is that kini-clear out ko yung negativity dito. Kasi dito ko lagi nag-work. Creativity, nandito ang flow ng mga ideas, ng conversation and communication. So, you have to make sure to make your space and yourself sacred and clean at all times. Okay? Do proper way of cleansing could be sound cleansing, bath cleansing ng sea salt, incense, no? Like ito, sage to. Yung mga loose leaves to ng sage, no? May nabibili naman online. Ang sage kasi is used talaga to purify the space. Then, if you want to invite naman positive energy, after ka mag-sage, gumamit ka ng palo santo or frankincense. Okay? So, may routine yan, may steps yan. Hindi ka pwede mag-palo santo and then mag-sage ka. So, nag-invite ka ng positive energy tapos tatanggalin mo yung mga negative energy along with the positive energy. So, dapat may sequence. Okay? So, just be aware of that. So, may blockage tayo, no? Yung mga kailangan tayong mag-cleanse and declutter sa buhay natin, and yung esoteric meaning nito, to cleanse yung space mo, okay, and your aura. Alright? So, do the work there sa mga manifestation mo, clear the blockages. Ngayon naman, sa fifth position, or fourth, nandyan ang make a meal. Ito yung external energies, okay? So, it's about effort. It's about gestures, no? Yung external energies mo could be, there are people na maaaring maging dependent sa'yo or they need your parang assistance or kind gestures, I would say. Kind gestures, I would say. Kind gestures, I would say, or yung iyong compassion, because make a meal daw. So, you could probably be feeding people, feeding stray dogs, stray cats. You could be running a shelter, feed hundreds of dogs and cats, no, sa shelter na yun. You could be volunteering sa orphanage, sa charity. Yun yung mga external energies na you could do for the community, or it could be you will be relevant for them kasi you will have something to contribute for the community, the people. Okay? So, para magiging dependable in the next 3 to 6 months, okay? It's about time to parang do something for others, for a cause. Yun yung nararamdaman ko until the next 3 to 6 months, okay? So, ito yung dalawa mong kamay doing work, you're cooking, and then when you're cooking, we need to serve it, diba? So, act of service, yung nararamdaman ko for the next 3 to 6 months sa'yo, you need to involve yourself on that, or you will be involved, and it's something maybe rin that you will enjoy to do, okay? Now, yung kailangan maibigay sa sarili mo, no? We don't do health readings, pero sabi, health check-up. When was the last time tayo, Pisces, na nagpa-annual physical exam? Or if you felt like there's something sa part ng body natin na kailangan pumunta sa doctor, annual physical exam man yan, as basic as that, or could be sa eyes mo, magpatingin. Ako kasi I'm thinking of doing that kasi parang nagbago yung grade ng mata ko. So, this is something na magbe-benefit ka in the long run. So, it's more like a reminder sa'yo, Pisces, na to take good care of your physical health and check up ang kailangan if there's something na feeling mo you need some doctor to assist you. Okay? For me also, naghahanap ako dito ng chiropractor or mga yoga classes, no? Kasi, para sa spine ko, kasi may spine issue ako. So, this is just an example. So, it could also be an advice for you na huwag kakalimutan na magpa-annual physical health checkup tayo. It could be personal, doesn't have to be para lang sa employment. Okay? Make it a habit to check lang yung body mass index natin, if we are overweight or not, kung ano yung mga diet na dapat sa atin, no? And ano ba, kailangan ba natin na exercise? You know, these things, okay? Now, at the 6th position, sa new beginning mo naman, Pisces, meron tayong use your hands. So, tingnan mo to. Make a meal. Ginagamit yung hands niya. Sa new beginning mo, use your hands. So, nakita mo siya. Gumagawa siya ng pot. It's about creativity as well. Nabanggit natin sa Connect with Your Womb. It's about being artist. Diba? Being a painter. It's like may blank canvas ka, may clay ka, and you can make something out of it. Yun ang sinasabi dito. Artistry, craft, no? Sa new beginnings mo, it's more something like I think mas mag-enjoy ka kasi lalabas yung creativity mo. Lalabas yung talent mo. Mapupull off mo yung mga new beginnings mo because may connection siya. Something na masayang gawin, mag-enjoy tayo. At yung di mo mamamalayan na ang daming oras na pala lumipas. It feels like parang saglit lang pero nalibang ka. Okay, yun yung nararamdaman ko sa mga bagong simula mo. So, kung yung bagong simula mo is medyo feeling mo mabigat o mahirap, then hindi yan ang dapat na bagong simula na para sa'yo. So, that's it. It's something na magiging abala ka, pero hindi mo mamamalayan na naging abala ka kasi it fills your heart, no? It's joyful to do. Parang ganon. Alright? And something na passionate ka rin gawin. Alright? And it looks easy. Hindi mahirap. Okay? Kahit nasabihin natin, it will make use of your hands or it will be a labor. It's easy para sa'yo. Yung energy na yan, hindi siya dapat mabigat. Now, at the center, first time lumabas nito. Okay, tsaka itong health check-up. So, far sa reading na to, okay, and si aromatherapy, lumabas sa past readings yata to, pero I can't remember, parang unique card din siya for this month reading, and this one also. Yung connect with your womb is repeating. Now, at the center, this is unique, sa'yo lang lumabas. Yung kailangan mo matutunan, or you have yet to learn, no? Plan a vacation. Tapos nandiyan yung picture ng babae sa cloud, na may moon phases and may chakra siya, diba? Ayan, babae yan. And then, airplane. You could be considering na it's about time to, you have yet to learn or you have to learn, no? Baka mangyari to, or nangyari recently na nagpaplano kang mag-vacation, domestic or international. You could be traveling for work, migrating. You could be working abroad. Pwede rin na you just go on leisure travel. Overseas and domestic. Okay? So, it's something na rewarding and it's something na ina-advise na gawin mo daw para sa ikabubuti mo. Okay? It's either going for a work, consider yung mga international opportunities abroad. Huwag kang matakot kasi nandyan siya, no? Plan a vacation. It could also be vacation trip, no? Domestic, no? Dito sa atin sa Philippines or maybe outside the country to. Na trip. You could also be seeing someone long distance travel or someone will come here sa Philippines and then you will have a vacation with them, no, family, relatives or special someone. Okay? So, consider this kasi ito yung something na kailangan mo daw ma-realize, matutunan. Okay? Or matututunan mo soon, maaaring mangyari. Okay? Maybe kailangan mo nga ng vacation, you need a break, 'di ba? Kasi hindi naman pwedeng puro tayo trabaho, puro tayo hard work. And at the same time, make use of some of those money para to reward yourself, to pamper yourself as well because you deserve it. So, sana Pisces nag-resonate kayo sa reading na to, no? Natapos ang ating reading sa timestamp na 1:55 PM, July 31, 2024, Pisces. And if it doesn't resonate with you, I will tap into your energy next time. See you in your next month reading, Pisces. God bless and mahal ko kayo. Bye!